Jamaica. I don't want to get up. I'm so tired. I can't sleep, but my daddy's awake. He won't let me. So I'm gonna get up, wash my face, brush my teeth. Hopefully he makes me something to eat. Waiting for my sister, my mom to get here. I guess I'll unpack. Because I do have to unpack. All of that good stuff. Yeah. Forgive me. I'm really tired. Like, so tired. Anyhow. Let's see if I can catch like a hour more. I don't know how long. Alright? So that. Trying out my selfie stick. Just to see how it. Is you dumb? Anyways, yeah, like I was saying, me do things to make it last. I mean, work. You understand? Why the f are you turning off before I'm telling you to turn off? Behave yourself. Okay? There's no Sony store in Jamaica, so I cannot bring you back. Behave yourself. Shit. Maybe I should have got a Nikon. I'm joking. I love you. Don't stop working, okay? It's just the first day. Alright. Selfie stick works. Everything is working. Everything is copacetic. Everything is wonderful. Me I go watch TV now. For real. Work on some of my vlog them. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey y'all, it's me again. Yeah, I'm still in the same clothes, same hair bonnet, because I ain't do nothing yet, and nobody here yet, okay? Yeah, but I'm cooking. Nothing big. Made an egg, and I'm frying up some plantain. Honestly, my sister is really ticking me off right now. It does not take her that long to get from where she is to come over here. You know, so yesterday she told me, so she named they go come at my father's house because she have laundry for the butts. Like, my flight was 4 hours. How long did it take you to do laundry? And I told you specifically to come here early in the morning. Shut up your mouth. To come here early in the morning so we could go do road, but it's alright. I was gonna buy her lunch, but not buy her nothing. Jamaica. Turn and go out the road. I'm about to ride a shop. There's a man coming and I'm naked. I have no clothes on. Smell it. Who's this man in my yard? My father's not here. You're not seeing fun. You're not going yard. I'm finally going in town, like I said I've been doing all day. Even though my sister is still not here, she's still doing her laundry that she said she was going to be doing from yesterday. I wonder what kind of clothes it is that she has that she can't finish wash all now. Can't really see my outfit of the day, but it's my outfit of the day. So I'm on my belly. Oh god, I can't even see. It's so bright. Oh, these are the rip ones. I have a next one, you know. Oh well. My plans for it. Anyhow, I'm waiting for a taxi to go in town so I can hook up this phone of mine. And then yeah, so when I get there, I'll holler back. Till then, maybe in like a half an hour, because I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get drive. You understand? But look at my hair. Hi, ugly. Did you miss me? How'd you not wear yellow? Why are we all in yellow though? She's jealous now because I don't need her anymore. How'd you look? Okay, where are we going? Don't scare me like that, yo. Oh my god. Yo. Why? So then, I want them to. So, okay, yeah, for real though, they will steal my phone. So, the soon call me, yeah? Fried chicken. Ow. Like her butt got so big. I don't know where. Okay, bye. I'm gonna eat now. Later.
She's in a limo.
Yeah, I'm in a limousine, girl.
In Jamaica. In a jump down.
And my personal limousine with drive and go buy one party and drinks. You understand? And them type of treatment here, I live in a yard.
My limousine hot though.
You're lucky so you're driving a limo.
What?
I joke me and make a drive there. Look, yo, I'm sweating yo back here in the sea. It's hot as
We are left now.
yeah.
Man, I know going.
It's not bad. It's YouTube is stupid. Oh god. Okay.
Where are you?
From my YouTube channel.
Which YouTube? You can go on YouTube, look for me face. Look for it. They put her on Facebook.
You're on Facebook, so I can't be. Yo, I'm sweating, dog. I'm in here. It was a productive day. I got food. And I got my... I was able to hook up my phone. Yo, I wore my phone too close to the window, you know, they would grab it.
Come here, Lindy.
What? Your eyes big, your head big, your ass is big, everything big.
You look like a
Tell us to stop.
Lou just hell.
She said you're lewd.
Mommy.
You're lewd as hell.
Lou just hell.
How do you know you're not going outside?
You're not going nowhere. You just like to talk. I'm going out with my boyfriend. What is it? Something wrong with that?
Which man you have, Angie? DJ and Kyle?
Enough of them time now.
What?
Hold on, it's not DJ and Kyle time now.
So fat time.
Mr.
My
Man.
man. Mr. Who?
One man. His name is Michael. So where you come from?
Maple? Manchester?
Which ones?
Look at Ochi?
No, the big Uchi.
Okay.
No, ideal stars is for people who just come off the plane. You don't take a plane.
I feel like I lost like 2 pounds. the way that I've been sweating. Tell you about baby siblings. They're so annoying. This one. And Taji. It's alright, I buy him food. I buy him dinner and them have to share with me. Tell him my name Yam from morning. Oh my god, I heard my song when I was walking in today. I heard my song. This is the people that go to the
What? Driver, could you lend me some of that music, please?
No. Make a call if I don't go to
I know it's not.
Say play music. Say you don't know say Sanjay.
so confused right now. Okay. When I get home, I'll holler back and catch y'all. Be home in like 10 minutes. Depending on traffic. But yeah. I'm not sweating anymore, thank you. Because anyways. Oh.
So me I wonder why come and sit on the bed one time and screw on that one. And then me I say, why you should go? Me I look the other pieces.
You screwed on this part.
Are your makeup bag this
Yeah.
way?
I push that in there.
Yeah.
And me I wonder why else must go funny. Nothing else can go funny. Ameer. Yeah. Come here. Auntie Angie want to ask you something.
You have clothes? So you're not going to see Raggy and Sophie?
You're not gonna look for Raggy and Sophie! Ameer, Ameer, say hi to my camera.
Zoe, let's try play something with Ameer.
Say hi to the viewers on YouTube. You're gonna be on YouTube. Do you know what YouTube is?
No.
Yes,
What is YouTube?
that's the comments first.
Ray! So when you're ready, you type in my name and you'll see this on YouTube,
Just
okay?
Zoe. Zoe, bro.
Zoisha. That's my
Spell that
name.
now.
What do you mean? ZOESHAAA.
Alright, take. I'll try to win Tony, please.
Really? Okay, yeah, look for it. It's ZO space ESHAAA. I'm using my selfie stick! Oh my god! Yeah, come I have to video my grandmother's funeral, you know, I have to video everything when so they can't bounce anything else.
You know, something like one stick like that's why we need something like that at Jamaica for the police them and for all it.
No, for real though, and it's so convenient.
So yeah, I'll hold up with them and nobody not even pay attention. Like,
Right.
you want to let them at the end with it.
No, you're using it for different purposes.
Gabby.
Okay, toodles, bye. Now we're like trying, well, they're trying on their clothes. I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna take a nap because I'm tired. You know, so much better.
The money come, money go, money stack.
Whoever invented the selfie stick is amazing. Like,
I'ma pull up in the traffic. Freak
that ugly ass bomba clad sister.
nobody in my lane for me to pass it.
Just kidding, I love her, I think. No, I'm joking, I love her. That's my brethren, Keniel.
She had the green and the Atlantic. I'm the new for the girl fantastic. She put a money where she made them in a basket. I'm creeping in the dark like a Rambo. From the certified boss, no scandal. I record in Jamaica, niggas here in Orlando. CBO, they can't let go.
Yo, I'm putting it on YouTube, eh?
Oh, you mean?
Bop, bop. I'm just remembering mommy's quote.
He said, she said, she get
What a good thing.
When you have 10 man, me have to be 11. me, I tell them. So when you have 6 months, guess who makes 7? This fool about Simia. Oh God.
Just want to climb up on the pinnacle. Them just want to them need each other want to pin it to. Them say that every man you give it to. When them see your body, them a see me too. When them a watch and chat, you not a thing it to me. Come in and listen me now if you all pain. You have 10 man, me a feel 11. Me never ask them if you watch your body for me that me a tell them.
Nighttime, this is what it's like, people. We're just chilling by the beach. This is the shit that you get to do when you're in Jamaica. Oh God, I love this place. Oh, I can't wait to live here. You come and make me fucking up. Like the gal will hold me. You run like a 1,000 story. Now me why you come fuck me like you owe me. Come and make me fucking up. You hold tight, me gal, you hold me. Oh my God. Yes, this is my baby sister. Yep, baby. You understand? Bathroom right now, and it's like so fucking creepy. Kiyanna, stop fucking laughing. There's somebody in here. I don't know who it is. It could be a fucking killer. I don't know, but I'm so fucking scared right now. Stop fucking laughing. Like she's fucking laughing like it's a fucking joke. The person could want to fucking kill her. Kiyanna, let's fucking go. Oh my God. I'm recording this because this could be my last video. I don't know what's gonna happen. Save the shit in case I have to fucking run. I'm not stupid, you guys. I'm just being fucking precautious, okay? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. We're gonna fucking... Kiyanna, stop fucking laughing. I'm gonna go outside right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait. Why the fuck are you pushing me, dog? Wait, I want to look and see. Anyways, we're over here and we're just looking and stuff. And stuff and stuff and stuff. We're so lost right now. That's so funny. Okay, bye. Yo, but this is not where we walked either. Oh God, we made it out alive. Jesus Christ. I said we made it out alive. Jesus Christ. Yo, that was so fucking scary. After hours at the Brown House. What the heck is this, Daddy? Daddy, the last time I made a video when we were at Mr. Chin, you're wearing the same shirt. Yeah, I don't know how I remember that. But I don't look the same. No, I don't. Because my hair is curly. It's my craven sister. She would not make us go home until we went to Brown Man for chicken and chips. But it's torn up, yo. The chicken and chips, they torn up, yo. Oh God. I don't want my brother to hear me because if I don't save him I don't want him to feel sad. So I don't want to talk to him. But yeah, the KFC. I mean, the bread and guava jam. It's so good, and Daddy's eating stale food. He's eating stale coleslaw, rice and peas, and big chicken. Yo, it tasted so good today, Daddy. It tasted so good. Yo, Bay City has the best food. Do you know that? Oh my god. Okay, but I'm going to my bed right after I eat this. So yeah, I was crying today because my sister made me talk about my grandma. It's so sad. I don't want to talk about it, but bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? This is the last time I'm saying it too. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. While I eat my chicken and chips in Jamaica. Oh shit, what I said it again. While I eat my guava and jelly. So good. Good night. What you say